Hi, once again, I'm back, Kaushik Chatterjee. In this video, again, we are going to discuss the same series as we are already discussing how to make money. Now, here we are going to discuss again combination of last 2 3 videos. Already, you might have watched, I believe. So, if you have not watched, just go back and watch this last couple of videos, and then you come back to this video so that you will be able to understand what exactly the connecting point we are going to discuss in this video. So, somebody is a parent for your kid when they are going to start even age of 18, or let's say they are going to start even age of 21. So that's a huge question, even for their education, for their maybe higher education, or maybe for their marriage, or maybe for any other purpose. Even that corpus you have to get ready, even though you want to give some, let's say, some money to your kids to start their own business. They want to become an entrepreneur, they want to do their own business. So how you are going to arrange those money again? And the solution always you have, because you have to go to the bank, you have to get the money, but again, again you have to pay the money, and for that you are going to lose even your interest also. I mean, you are going to pay the interest to the bank, so definitely you are not even going to get your money even as an interest. You are going to pay the interest. So these are the things already discussed. You can watch even last all the discussion, and then you can come back to this video so that you will be having a different idea. If your son, if your daughter, let's say if your son and daughter, again, even if you are a parent, so they are going to touch their 18, even though they want to go for higher studies, they want to start their own business, as I told you, they want to become an entrepreneur, or age of 21. So these two ages are very very important, even everybody's life, even including you and me. So if you have already crossed, then definitely you are thinking for your kid only, maybe for your daughter, maybe for your child. But what corpus exactly you can get ready by this time? If you are one, if you are ready to get this corpus even at age of 18, at age of 21, so what you need to do is all of a sudden you cannot start. So already that's what I told you. Just go back to last even couple of videos, because there we have already discussed. At age of 3, you can start even your investment for your kid. Age of 5, even you can start even your investment for your kid. And age of 7, you also can start off even your investment for your kid. So these three even ages are very very important. Already, let's say you have already even started, when you can start even, let's say, at as much as early as it is possible. So 3 if I start, 18 if I want to get some corpus, so 15 years I had. If 15 years I have in my hand, 3 years I want to start, even 21 years, let's say I want to get some corpus in my hand. So 18 years typically I have in my hand. So that's why you have to decide. It is your life, it is your hard earned money, it is your decision. It is you are going to get that corpus for your children, marriage, education, starting their business. So how much corpus you can get ready, and that entire corpus you can use at this stage. So you are actually relaxed for this 15 or maybe 18 years, or maybe beyond that, because at what stage you are actually looking. And let's say beyond, before that, if you have started at age of 3 or 5 or 7, so you have ample time. Roughly, I'm just telling you, at least you have 15 to 20 years time in your duration where you can make a good money. And I think any tool, whatever purpose you're going to make it, probably, let's say, funding for monthly, let's say probably funding for quarterly, probably funding for your happy hour, or maybe one time investment also if you do. So 20 years, 15 to 20 years, it's a quiet time, it's a decent time for everybody. Even though you are a parent, even though you are a, let's say, son, daughter, even if you want to start for your own even investment, that is a ample time. Even somebody can make their own even good asset also, and that asset is definitely going to help you out even for your next level, as I already have discussed. So there are a lot of schemes. As I already told you, I'm not here to discuss even for all these products or services. I'm just here to discuss whatever 20 years I have grabbed, even my experience, discussing with all my case studies, with my all event clients, all my even, let's say, critical event cases. I'm just holding over here so that somebody may be falling in the same situation and they also can get some kind of solution from it. That is the only motive for making this video. But yes, There'll be certain situation which I'm not even able to decide what exactly the product, what exactly the scenario, what exactly the particular things I need to start. That's what I'm just telling you. You no need to think about your product. You can also start even by mutual fund. You can also start even by insurance. You can also even start even a lot of government schemes are there. Even you can start even, let's say, there will be a lot of even pension scheme also. Even all these parameters you have even ample products, ample even solution in the market, even from all the financial institute. What you need to decide, it is how much you are going to invest, what way you are going to invest, and what is the dream you are going to grab even after this XYZ period, the 10 years. And between that, you have to get ready with all this solution. That's the point you have to think. And definitely the money part again, I you just want to add it over here again, that you have to decide based on again on your savings. So all of a sudden you cannot even save more. All of a sudden you cannot even increase your savings. But whatever small amount you are keeping aside, and that amount you are utilizing on a better way, you can give a good life for yourself. You can give a good life for your children. And age of 18, age of 21, if you want to give them a certain corpus, exact corpus, that is ready with you for your last 15 and 20 years solution. So, any more questions? Any more doubt? Yes, I'm always there to help you out. Always there to chat on the same. And any more things, you can also directly when you can mail. Thanks. Thanks for watching.
Every night, I we paradise, paradise seems so far away.